you can see, there is a sensor here. This is the sensor here, right? With the current sensor and voltage sensor. So with every converter, we have different current sensor and voltage sensor, so that we can sense the output of the DC. And this is the inductor of 80 ampere. So this is
this one is filter.
Yes. Inductor. So this is part of the coupled converter circuit, capacitor. Okay. Now the output of this is connected to the DC bus. So the DC bus is inside this black box. बस
तो इसकी सेफ्टी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
नहीं है, बट सर ने बोला वो ओपन नहीं रहना, तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
नहीं तो आपको एक जाली वाला करके
आपके पास है सब कुछ?
बना कोई दिक्कत
फ्यूल सेल फ्यूल सेल कन्वर्टर सेंसर
कैसा अंदर
So the maximum is 70 volts. 70 volts. Not use any converter with battery. So battery, after battery, this is sensor board, and after sensor board, coming to the bus. Third source, super capacitor. So this one is super capacitor, 48 volt, 187 farad. Okay, and then there is a bidirectional converter. Bidirectional converter means the current can flow in both directions because super capacitor can be charged and discharged. So we have used a bidirectional converter. This is input and then output. Input is coming to the bus. There are sensors. So we have sensor over here. It's a sensor. If you see from this side, this one is current sensor and this one is voltage sensor. So in the sensor the wire is coming over, that's current sensor, and the other one is the voltage sensor. So these two things are found, right? Now from this bus, this is my motor controller, my traction motor controller. From this bus, this traction motor is getting power. This controller is getting power. So input is DC, and then output line 1.3 3-phase AC is going to the motor, which is supplied to the motor. Now the speed of this motor is controlled by that microcontroller, that is STM microcontroller, that blue microcontroller. Okay. At the output of these, we have connected this sensor so that we can get accurate voltage and accurate current of the motors, and we are taking that feedback through that Arduino. That Arduino Uno is only used for this board. Every other circuitry is followed by this. Now this motor controller speed will be controlled by STM. We can record this speed using this capacitometer. Its feedback is going again to the STM. There is a coupler in between. We have just covered it so that there will be pressure. And this is directly coupled to this motor. The rating of these two motors are exactly the same. Both are 2.5 kilowatt. Both are permanent magnet synchronous motors, and both are rated at 3000 RPM. Now this motor we are using as a generator because in the classroom we cannot drive a vehicle, right? But in order to check the drive cycle and everything, we need to load the vehicle, right? So that loading is provided by this motor. So when this motor moves this motor, it generates a voltage, and then this is connected through these relays to that resistance, and the resistors will dissipate. So this is all about the circuit. have given delay so that